How to enable Google Discover in mobile. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To enable your Google Discover in your mobile, all you need to do is check out your phone settings. So before we start this tutorial, please note that this settings and these functions would be different for various of different Android mobile and so as for your iOS. Now moving ahead, while you are in your phone settings, you need to scroll down until you see the option of lock screen and wallpaper. Again, depending on your mobile device, you can have a separate option as home settings. If you have something like this, go ahead and tap on the home setting option or check out lock screen and wallpaper. Within here, navigate to your home settings. Over here, you will see the Google Discover option. To enable it, all you need to do is make sure that it is toggled on to the right hand side. If it looks something like this means your Google Discover is currently disabled. To enable it, just tap on it. And just like that, you have enabled your Google Discover in your mobile. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.